Next question, CBSE 2023. The statement of the problem given in the description box. This statement says a uniform electric field is represented by electric field की value दी हुई है 3 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton per coulomb I. That means this is an electric field which is along the x direction. Electric field is along the x direction. Find the electric flux of this field through a square of side 10 centimeter. Square of side 10 centimeter. And this square is placed along the plane of the square is parallel to the yz plane. Parallel to the yz plane मतलब yz plane ये वाला है. अगर यहाँ कहीं पर रखा हुआ हो तो ऐसा कुछ आएगा. Parallel to the yz plane मतलब ऐसा ही कुछ आएगा. This is the plane. The direction of the plane will be given by the direction of outward drawn normal to the surface. मतलब इसमें एरिया की जो भी वैल्यू होगी आप उसमें I लगा देना तो ये एरिया वेक्टर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. So area vector will be equal to the area of the plane into I. अब एरिया कितना है? This is 10 centimeters. So the area is 10 by 100 into 10 by 100. And the area vector will be AI. AI क्यों? क्योंकि this is the plane which is placed parallel to the yz plane. This is a plane which is placed parallel to the yz plane. तो इसके ऊपर जो perpendicular draw करेंगे, that will be along the x direction. तो flux is equal to E dot A होता है. E की वैल्यू कितनी है? 3 into 10 to the power of 3. And this is how much? I dot area is 10 by 100 into 10 by 100 I. अब इसमें वैल्यूज को अगर सॉल्व करें तो I dot I की वैल्यू विल बी 1 और ये 3 into 10 to the power of 3. इसमें ये दो जीरोस कैंसिल होंगे, नीचे दो जीरोस आएंगे अपॉन 100. तो ये कितना आ जाएगा? 3000 डिवाइडेड बाय 300 which will be 30 and I dot I will be 1. इसको आप डायरेक्टली भी लिख सकते हैं. कैसा लिख सकते हैं डायरेक्टली? The formula for flux is E into A into cos theta. एरिया वेक्टर कितना है? सॉरी, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड is 3 into 10 to the power of 3. Area is 10 by 100 into 10 by 100 into cos theta. Theta is the angle between electric field and area. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और एरिया के बीच में एंगल कितना? 0 डिग्री है. तो आप ये भी यूज कर सकते हैं. इसको भी सॉल्व करने पर ये 10 by 100 into 10 by 100 ये कैंसिल होगा. तो आंसर विल बी 30 into cos 0 is 1. So the answer is 30. This is the answer to the first part. Second part, the normal to the plane of the square makes an angle of 60 degrees. तो यहाँ पर थीटा की वैल्यू is 60 degrees और फ्लक्स की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E into A into cos 60 यानी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 3 into 10 to the power of 3 into 10 by 100 into 10 by 100 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. वैल्यू सिंप्लीफाई करो, ये कितना आ जाएगा? 30 आ जाएगा पहले की तरह into 1 by 2. So the answer to this is 15. Clear?